Twin. So yesterday, around this time, and it's like 8:04 in the morning. I ain't been asleep. But yesterday around this time, right, I was recording this song and it go crazy. Like,
Oh, yo, like whoa, let's go.
but my computer died while I was recording it. Like, you know what I'm saying? So that allowed this to happen to my vibe, to my vocals,
Oh my God.
man. All my vocals corrupted, bro.
Oh
All my
my
files
God.
corrupted. You can
My
see fades, you can't see the vocals, you can't see that. But yeah, that happened. Like, I was basically thinking, after like I seen the files were corrupted, like the vocals was corrupted, I was like, bro, how I'm gonna get it? But every time I click off of the studio thing, I can hear the vocals still. So I was like, let me just download the vocals, put them back on there, dry. You feel me? But I thought it'd be cool if I showed y'all how to sound with the vocals being dry, and you know me putting the vocals on there, and y'all hearing basically the song come to life. You know what I'm saying? Without the effects, then with the effects type thing. So let's get to it. All right, so shit. This is what we gonna start at. I hooked it up to the speaker so hopefully y'all can hear this good enough. I'm gonna just show y'all the beat. And by the way, the beat is produced by me, that boy, Reezy, you feel me? So, I'm gonna show y'all the beat first. I already downloaded the vocals. Boom, right here, I told y'all about that. Downloaded the vocals. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna lay them down raw with no effects and nothing like that. But first, to show y'all the beat, and I'm gonna do basically a little performance on the spot right quick. You hear me? It go like, oh, whoa, like, oh, let's go. Oh, whoa, like, oh, let's go. Baby, what you got going through the night? Let's have a day, you know, I'm serving through the night, yeah. Well, 2, 3 was I'm chilling with my guys, yeah. 1, 2, 3 was I'm chilling, catch a vibe, yeah. I'm tryna live with shawty for the one time. Then I'ma live with shawty more than one time, yeah. This money, I'm up on the clock. Got that clockin' later, nigga, it's 11 o'clock. Got that clock at 6, got her rockin' dick. Now I get to icy boy, now I rap the shit. Oh, would you listen to my singers if I told you all my, oh, would you listen to me, baby? Y'all get it, you feel me? Y'all get it. I'm finna lay down the vocals now. We finna see how that's gonna sound with it dry. Let's go. Oh, that's how they sound.
Like whoa, let's go. Oh, whoa, like yo, let's go. Huh. Baby, what you got going for tonight? It's
Alright, let me let them down here. I grab it from here, and then, man, this didn't go as planned. Oh, okay. Guys, we doing something. Lay that down right there. Lay this track down right here.
oh, yo, like whoa, let's go. Oh, whoa, like yo, let's go.
No effect.
Baby, what you got going for tonight? It's Saturday, you know I'm sliding through the night. Brother, 2, 3 was I'm chilling with my guys, yeah. Brother, 2, making content, making money, know it live, yeah. Dying niggas know we on the grind, yeah. I just want my money, I'm a bun.
Alright, so I gotta get the other track and put it on here, which is track 3. You feel me? It's a punch in. Hopefully y'all can hear that. Like good enough for y'all to hear.
Dying niggas know we on the grind, yeah. Hope I can live a shawty for the one time. Then I'ma live a shawty more than one time, yeah. I just want my money, I'm up on that clock. Got a clock and later, nigga, it's 11 o'clock. Shit, I clock out at 6. Know what I can do. Gotta get to us and put it on the right to oh, would you listen to my singers if I told you all my oh, would you listen to me, baby? I said, baby, oh.
And that's that right there, for that right there. You feel me? Now let me put the other tracks. I'm finna lay the other tracks down here. Y'all go see it, obviously.
Oh,
But it is right.
yo, like whoa, Let's go. Oh, oh, hey, yo. Let's go. Baby, what you got going for the It's Saturday, you know I'm swiping through the night. Look. This one, I think this track right here is Shoot Something Baby. Just in my nails. Yo, as you listen to me. Yeah, raise, let down the same old thing. Okay. Shoot Something Baby.
I gotta line these up a little bit more. So let's see.
Shoot Something Baby. I said, baby, oh, as you have me on my business. Raise, let down the same old thing. Like I play no games. Stickers I'm swiping around with a smile on my face. Raise, let down the same old thing. Locked in like I play no games. Stickers I'm swiping around with a smile on my face. At a minute I ain't feel no pain. Two face, just sing one side. Got it. Let me put that right there. Put that snap on ski. Yeah. Raise, let down the same old thing. Locked in like I play no games. Stickers I'm swiping around with a smile on my face. At a minute I ain't feel no pain. Two face, just sing one side. Little coin, you ahead or behind. I'm from a city where you live, where you die. It's about to take a look up in the head of your mind like, what would you do with these millions if I had a little more? If I told you that I'm more.
We ain't even done. I ain't supposed to be showing y'all that much. To be honest. Yeah. Let's continue. Let me get the other track and lay it down on here. And then, which one was that? Track 5? That was track 5? Oh, that's track 4. So let me get track 5, lay track 5 down in here. It's crazy, bro. That's one thing I hate about this, bro. About when my computer died. Like, all the bandlab users probably know and can relate. If you got a MacBook and then you recording on your laptop and then your laptop die and then it say this corrupted files, like, you feel me? It just, you feel me? But this is how you do it. Even if you didn't know how to do it, I hope you learned something from this. If your stuff happen like this and you don't know what to do when your files get corrupted, just download them. You feel me? Like I did. You feel me? Download the files, download the stems, take the you know what I'm saying, effects off and just download them, put them in with the same beat. And yeah, you good. Same effects, you feel me?
Yeah. Raise, let down the same old thing. Just sing one side. Flip a coin, you ahead or behind. From a city where you live, where you die. It's about to take a look up in your head and your mind like.
Track 5, it was a double. I added on there, so.
Yeah. Raise, let that behind. From a city where you live, where you die. It's about to take a look up in your head and your mind like.
I'm gonna line that up a little bit more later on. It sounds good enough like that. So track 6 next. Is next.
Oh, baby, what you got going for the It's Saturday, you know I'm swiping through the night. Look, brother, chillin' with my guys, yeah.
It's this track.
Chillin', catch a vibe, yeah.
Y'all hear that?
Money know he thrive, yeah.
Yeah.
Know he on the grind. Nah, one time, for sure.
And when I turn them effects on, it's gonna sound even crazier. So, yeah, dude, I just stay to the end. Make sure you stay to the end and see the finish. Brought up. Let's go. Track 7. You feel me? Let's get it in there. Brother ski. Track 7. Yeah. Oh. It's another set of ad-libs, but that's how I was doing it, you feel me? On track 7, so track 6 and track 7 was ad-libs, and really like for the hook and stuff like that. Now you hear the difference. If you actually do music, then you can hear the difference, you know what I'm saying? If you actually be in the studio, be in the cooking, you feel me? Alright, we're going on to tracks 8 and 9. No, we just going on to track 8. We got one more track to lay on here, and then we finna lay them presets on the track. That magic. Okay, maybe I'm being a little too dramatic. But fuck it. Nigga, we fast. Nigga.
Oh. Hey, yo. Let's go. Baby, what you got going for? shawty for the one time. And I'ma lick a shawty more than one time. Yeah, I just want my money, I'm up on that clock. No, I can do it. Gotta get to us, shit. Ooh, would you listen to my I told you on my own, would you listen to me, baby? I said, baby, oh, would you judge me for my past? I told you on my own, would you listen to me, baby? I said, baby, oh, would you listen to my I told you on my own, would you listen to me, baby? I said, baby, oh, would you help me with my feelings if I needed you? Oh, would you listen to me? Yeah. Same old thing, locked in, I can play no games. Niggas I'm swiping around with a smile on my face. At a minute, I ain't feel no pain. So face just sing one side. Flip a coin, you ahead or behind her. From a city where you live, where you die. That's about take a look up in your head and your mind like, what would you do with these millions if I had it, mama? Yeah. Now we finna add them effects on that joint and get it going. You feel me? I'ma lay them on there, then I'ma play it. Hello. Now it's finna sound totally different. You finna hear the whole thing. Oh, yo, like whoa, let's go. Oh, whoa, like yo, let's go. Baby, what you got going for tonight? It's hella late, you know I'm swiping through the night. Look, roll up 2, 3 woods, I'm chillin' with my guys, yeah. Roll up 2, 3 woods, come chillin', catch a vibe, yeah. Making money, now we die, yeah. I'm on the grind, niggas know we on the grind, yeah. Hope I can link a shawty for the one time. And I'ma link a shawty more than one time, yeah. I just want my money, I'm up on that clock. Got a clock and light a nigga, it's 11 o'clock. Shit, and I clock out at 6. No, I rockin' you. Gotta get to ice, put it on the rocket. Ooh, would you listen to my singers if I told you on my own? Would you listen to me, baby? I said, baby, oh, would you judge me for my past? If I told you on my own, would you listen to me, baby? I said, baby, oh, would you listen to my secrets? If I told you on my own, would you listen to me, baby? I said, baby, oh, would you help me with my business if I needed you? Oh, would you listen to me? Yeah. Like that, the same old thing. Locked in, I can play no games. Niggas I'm swiping around with a smile on my face. At a minute, I ain't feel no pain. So face just sing one side. Flip a coin, you ahead or behind her. From a city where you live, where you die. That's about take a look up in your head and your mind like, what would you do with these millions if I had them, mama? And if I told you that I'm more, would you be having them, mama? The hold me close and rub my face and wish me had it, so mama. The trust somewhere, just send it. Before we go, that's not it. I just want to let y'all know my preset is called Lucky. It's called Lucky. It's spelled L-U-C-K-I. It's on bandlab. If you know bandlab, bro, they be having presets on there. I just basically took that effect and I adjusted it to how I wanted it to sound. So that's like a whole nother thing for a whole nother video. I'm not gonna get into that, but I just thought it would be cool for y'all to see the process and how it sounds dry and how it sounds, you know what I'm saying? How it basically, you know, just sounded making the song. Appreciate y'all. Like the video. Sipping on margarita. Nah, man, appreciate y'all. Hope y'all like this video and the song. Coming soon. You feel me?